Hi friends, welcome to SB prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 26th April 2025. 25th April 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 12, number 31 and number 35. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 13, number 21, number 37, number 5, number 46, booster number 14. UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 34, number 11, number 26, number 16, number 42, booster number 9. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.